Hi, my name is Andreas, and some say the perfect aircraft does not exist yet. So I decided to build it on my own. If you love aircraft, follow me, get it from dream to reality. Let's go! Welcome back, friends. I was a bit quiet this summer, but with 40 hours a week on a day job and then 30 hours working on the aircraft on top of that, I had to tune it down a little bit. After 2 months with a mixture of vacationing and just working less than normal, we are now ramping up to 120% of speed again. Although less progress than normal was made, we still did so much that I will only show you a third of it today. If you remember, we had a mishap when we created the negative form, the mold for the canopy. Because of this, we needed to repair the bottom, but we used this as an opportunity to get it to the same level of quality as the top side already got. Here you can see me, together with Tom and Niklas, turning the aircraft upside down so we have the bottom easily reachable for the repair. I have the slight feeling that it will not be the last time we will use this gantry crane. Moving downstairs where the floor got renewed, it was time to assemble the huge jigsaw puzzle which our CNC created. It is the silhouette of the aircraft which will be used as the parting plane dividing the left and the right fuselage half. In the rear you can see Tom working on the table that he designed and built for the CNC mill. It is built in a way to not only custom fit to our new CNC machining place, but also enables us to mill aluminum using a continuous lubrication and cooling system in the future. Now it is finally time to assemble the mill to the table. Below you can see the level where the fluid basin will later be attached to. Our mill also has the ability to remove some or all of the table panels, so you can mount bigger parts below and still be able to CNC them. We are using rubber feet for vibration damping, which can be attached to the table via screws. I am lifting the mill with a lever so that we can align the feet with the holes for the screws. And this is how our CNC side project now looks like, standing in its intended place. Behind the door in the wall is a very small but soundproof room where the vacuum system is installed. So let's get back to our jigsaw puzzle. It doesn't have a lot of parts, but each of them needs to be very carefully placed both in plane and rotation. The assembly also uses approximately between 200 and 300 screws, so thank God for the invention of the cordless drill. On the printout next to me you can already see how it should look like in the end. Although we created all the parts with as tight tolerances as possible, you can still wiggle them very slightly. In total, this adds up so much that you could be off by about 2 inches or 5 centimeters over the whole length of the aircraft. Our tolerances to stay clear of the form are only 5 millimeters or a fifth of an inch, so you can guess that this is the reason why assembly is that slow. There is also a step where we verify the positions and apply corrections to them, but this is something I will show you in the next video. In the last footage for today, I will show you the almost fully assembled silhouette of the fuselage of the aircraft. Next week, I will show you how we CNC milled our first 3-dimensional part and how we finished our jigsaw puzzle. By now, we already mastered the process of milling and finished the inlets and also the elevator plugs. But as I said, let's keep this for the next episode. Live your life, do what you like most, enjoy your precious time, and for now, have a nice weekend and see you again next week. Fly safe, fly Horus.